Where's Colossians? Is it new or old?
I think.
Paul's letter to the
Is
Colossians.
it? Wait, is it the first Colossian?
Colossians.
Oh, the Corinthians! You're right.
Corinthians, yun. Also, Paul wrote letter to Corinthians, Colossians, Romans,
I think it's in the new.
New Testament.
Let your
Paul is
speech-
Hold on, baby's supposed to read it.
1385.
Yan mo practice mo buklat.
1385, Mateo.
I know.
You don't know.
No, I did know. I just couldn't find it.
Si Mama na mabasa?
No.
I found it.
Okay, sa inyo, go.
Wait! Wait! They don't love you like I love you.
But your speech
Wait!
always be gracious.
Wait!
Season of
Actually.
so you may know
Makinig ka na lang.
how to answer every
Come
my
again, come
gosh.
again. Oh, go.
Let your speech always be gracious, seasoned with salt, so that you may know how you ought to answer everyone.
Okay, what does it mean? Say it, Suriel.
Again?
Again, read.
Gosh. Shoot. Let your speech always be gracious, seasoned with salt, so that you may know how you ought to answer everyone.
Add flavor.
No, Suriel, serious. What does it mean?
Yeah, add flavor to what you say.
So, in what you say, example. Is it, read it once more. Your words should be
Let your
gracious.
speech always be gracious, seasoned with salt, so that you may know how you ought to answer everyone.
So, maybe
Your
your
answer.
words supposed to be respectful or positive or suggesting good things.
Not blunt.
Okay, something like that. Okay, so people are like, it sounds like encouraging, like that, or moral lesson in the words. Okay. Okay, sisihin naman sa babasa.
Already read.
Hindi dito.
Oh.
Okay.
Salt preserved. When Jesus passed near the Sea of Galilee, there were lots of fishermen listening, and they know how salt preserves. Salt prevents decay or corruption, and how to keep fish edible.
Ano yung order ni Mama sa ano? What's Mama's ordering in Mendas?
I don't know.
That fish thing.
Rhea.
Bia? No.
Yeah.
What is?
Yeah, those are like
Those right.
those are like a
Yeah.
fish what is pressed and then they put salt and put it dry under the sun, and that's how you
Make dried food.
make it last longer. Do you think how long is that fish gonna last?
A long time.
Like
Hala.
20 years.
I mean, it's not gonna decay. There's no moisture in it.
But if you like catch a fish and you don't put salt, maybe 2 or 3 days,
Well, if it's not in the fridge.
it's
More na.
wala na
It's on the
mold
fridge.
or there's worm on it. Yeah, but salt preserves. Salt preserves. What are the different kinds of food that preserved by salt?
Like,
Like what?
Eggs.
Egg, salted egg?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can preserve eggs.
there's also like
What?
loads of sea grapes.
Meat.
Sea grapes.
Pickle.
Pickle.
See,
But that's sugar.
No.
Sugar tayo.
No, salt.
chemical. I think yung ano,
Meat?
no, that
Meat?
bagong
I don't know
with
what that
salt.
is. I don't know what that is.
Tulingan!
Fish sauce.
Oh,
Something
yeah,
like that. Okay?
Tulingan.
Okay. So,
It's mostly fish.
if you salted something, it will decay. It will prevent decaying. Same as in the world. If we're gonna be the salt of the world will be preserved from decaying. Okay? Next, Mama!
Huh?
This, basta ba wala kang glasses?
No,
This world
Oh.
This world?
decaying.
Decaying.
Decaying. Listen to the news that rhymes the word. Christians need to preserve this world and stop from decaying by living example of the word of God, by spreading the word of God.
Or by initiating peace, not joining the war, make them understand each other, right? Any question with that? No? Next. Salt heals. In Bible times, babies were given
Why am I gonna
given a saline bath to hold down the infection.
a silent bath?
Yeah,
This is syrup.
it's like water with salt. So
Can you not?
so it will heal in anything that has baby has prevent infection. Okay? That's why in Bath and Body there's like
Bath salt?
bath salt, right? That's where they get it from. And it's really relaxing your body. It's really, there's lots of benefits when you soak your body in salt. Okay? So that's why salt heals. If you have a ulcer in the mouth, that's called ulcer in the mouth.
Singaw.
No.
You can use the salt. But salt also burns and penetrates.
Yeah,
Like
like
when you
hurts
put
when you
salt
heal.
on an injury.
It is irritant that permeates everything it touches. How about if you have cut and you put salt?
Well, yeah.
Oh, it's gonna sting.
I
See?
did
Or
that
like
once.
with the slugs. It's gonna burn.
Yeah, our worm.
No, not the worm slugs.
No, we had that when we were kids.
Oh my god!
Worm.
Oh,
Oh my god, they were.
Torture the poor worm, bro!
Yeah.
Nilalagay ng salt on
Oh my god, the worm is like the crazy. So
You guys are crazy. Poor worm!
So there's lots of worms in the Philippines. So even though there's salt is puts flavor, it prevents decay, but it's like fire. It burns, huh? It's deadly, eh?
I can't imagine the word movie.
Yeah, here. If you have ulcer in the mouth and you eat something with salt, you're gonna say ouch.
In
Or
the
cut
mouth.
in the
But
hand.
it heals it once you,
Yeah, it heals it, but the time you put it the
It
first,
hurts. It hurts
ah,
but heals.
really?
It hurts but heals.
Really?
Pag masakit ang ngipin mo, lagyan mo nun. Salt.
Okay,
Ew.
so if we are salt of the earth, expect that we will be irritant Christians because they were hurt knowing the truth. If we say good things and they don't like it, it's gonna irritate them. Okay? Are you pretty sleepy? Read.
I don't
Mark
feel
9.
sleepy. I'm just sick.
Mark 9, verse 49. So yeah.
I can never find Mark in this Bible.
Then susunod natin pag-aralan, Mark or
I can
Luke.
never find him.
J.
Mark is the assistant of Paul and close to Peter.
I can never find him in here. Oh my
So-
god.
Mark's gospel is mostly comes from Peter.
Page.
Oh gosh, found it.
Found it? Mark 9.
Dang it.
Sige, anak ta?
Found it.
So yeah, yun, babasahin mo kami.
12:19.
12:19.
23:19. We got 23:19.
Ano na?
What number is that?
12:19 or 12:18.
So yeah, I said yeah,
Chapter
read.
what?
We're gonna, our time is
Ito
gone.
na nga, oh.
12:19. 12:19.
Oh, read. So yeah.
What chapter is that? Verse 8.
49.
Mark 9 verse 49. Read.
For everyone will be salted with fire.
That's it?
Yeah. That's it.
Salted with fire. Hindi mo nabasa yun. Salt is used to roads. If salt loses flavor, there is no use but to use it in roads where they are run over. Okay? Ano question?
Natuwa ako sa
Ganda ako sa exactly 30 minutes yan, ha? Oh. 8:04, okay? So, any question with that? We are the salt. But we are not salty. We're just salt.
I was just about to
Okay?
say.
This one's salty.
Are we salty because we're salty? Hey! You're salty too.